There are lots of ways to keep up with people on LinkedIn. For example, you can send private messages to any of your connections. This can be really convenient because even if someone changes email addresses or goes to a new job, you can still easily get in touch with them. To access your messages, select the messaging icon at the top of the screen. From here, you can write a new message by clicking the new message icon, or you can read through the messages in your inbox. LinkedIn automatically sorts your messages into categories like unread or spam. However, you could see all of your messages at the same time if you want. Another way to send a message to a connection is to simply visit their profile and click Message. But to send a message to a LinkedIn user who is not a connection, you have to send them an InMail message. To do that, you must have a premium account, and even then, you're only allowed to send a limited number of InMail messages per month. No matter what kind of message you're sending, remember to keep all of your messages brief, clear, and professional.